People don't get what they want, but they don't want what they get. To kill time is to shorten life. So let's use the time to reach the goal of life very quickly. Hello everyone, I hope that you are great and well. So today in this video, I am present before you. So I am as well as English learner, also a content creator. So today in this video, I'll discuss with you how to learn vocabulary. Okay, everything today in this video I'll discuss with you very easily. So I will make you understand everything. So you need to connect it with me. Okay, so at the first time we need to know that how we learn vocabulary. For example, such as you are learning this vocabulary morning. You know that what does that means morning? It's mean shakal. But you are learning morning means shakal, morning shakal, morning shakal. But if you learn morning is not right way. But if you learn in the morning shakal, in the morning shakal, in the morning shakal. But if you want to make any sentence, but I go to school morning, not morning. I go to school in the morning, but it will be sentence automatically. Okay, for afternoon, you know that's mean afternoon, it's mean bikal, but you need to learn in the afternoon bikal, in the afternoon bikal, in the afternoon bikal. But if you want to make any sentence, it will be automatically okay. For example, I play football in the afternoon. I play football in the afternoon. আমি ফুটবল খেলি বিকালে, but sentence automatically okay. But if you say I play football afternoon, it's not right sentence. But if you want to make a right sentence, you need to create I play football in the afternoon. But you need to learn afternoon bikal, not it's good way. But you need to make sentence, and if you want to make any sentence, you need to learn vocabulary with preposition. Okay, in the afternoon bikal, in the afternoon bikal. And then evening, it's mean evening sondha means okay. But you need to learn in the evening sondha, in the evening sondha. When if you want to make any sentence, sentence will be automatically okay. Such as I study or I read a book evening, not right sentence. I study a book in the evening, or I pray in the evening mosque, okay, right now. Okay, but it's sentence automatically okay. But you need to learn I in the evening, in the evening, in the evening, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. But you need to connect it in the its sentence will be automatically okay. And another way, if I tell you at night, ratro, and at midnight, মধ্যরাত্র। তাহলে আপনারা so that I make you understand very easily. Okay, but if you want to learn any vocabulary, but you need to memorize what is this sentence. But if I make any sentence, what is this will be automatically. For example, morning. But if I want to use this morning any sentence, when will I create a sentence? But I need to use morning, it's not the right way. But if I want to make a sentence in the morning, automatically okay. But you need to learn this is okay. And also, if you want to learn vocabulary, if you don't have any sheet vocabulary, okay, I have 60 words vocabulary with preposition. If you inbox me, I will try to give you very easily. And you in the morning, in the evening, in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, at night, at midnight, okay, at lunch, at noon, its sentence automatically will be okay. So you can see also my background, this environment very wonderful, and this is precious. Okay, so I'm stay here, I'm so really happy. And also I think that I need to make a video here, because this is environment very nice and very wonderful. Also I want to teach these words vocabulary. So okay, if Allah wants, I will make you another kinds of video. So as well as you know that I'm also a learner, also I'm a content creator, also I make so many video. Okay, so if you have any questions, you need to inbox me. Okay, on my you need to connect it to me on my YouTube, on my Facebook page. You need to inbox me. I will try to give you answer everything. And if you want to get this 16 vocabulary with preposition meaning, okay, you need to connected me. You need to knock me. I will try to give you very easily. That's if I wrong anything about my speech, please forgive me. Allah Hafiz.